You know, I hear this oftentimes, especially claims where people have been fighting with the insurance company for a while and they call us up and, maybe their roof has been leaking and now the whole ceiling has caved in. If you have a leak in your roof from a storm, you need to put a tarp on that roof. You don't ever want to have a situation where you know that damage is occurring and you allow it to continue to go on. Well, the insurance companies, adjusters and engineers, they can tell that had been going on for a long period of time. And things such as that aren't covered. Your policy says in it that you are responsible for taking reasonable measures to mitigate additional damage. And putting a tarp on your roof or boarding up your window or something of that nature is exactly doing that. Now, if another storm comes and blows the tarp off your roof and water comes in, that's okay, as long as you put another tarp on there, because you took reasonable efforts to mitigate the damage. The insurance companies come up with a lot of ridiculous reasons to not pay the claim or underpay that claim, but not taking reasonable measures to mitigate additional damage is not a weak reason. So you definitely want to make sure that you're protecting your property as much as possible.